Let me read all the question. First question is, the solution of linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 17 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 is option A, x is 3, y is 3, B, x is 4, y is 2, C, x is 4, y is 3, D, x is 4, y is 1. Second question, the value of 8 sin 2x into cos 4x into sin 6x where x is equal to 15 degrees, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. Third question, find the value of sin 27 degree into sec 63 degree plus cos 27 degree into cosec 63 degree. Option A 2, B 4, C 6, D 1. Fourth question, we are given a right angle triangle ABD. Okay, angle D is 30 degree, angle C is 60 degree, B is 90 degree and DC is given 40 meter. Find the value of ABD. This you have to find, ABD. Factorize a square minus a plus 72 is equal to 0. Sixth, if x is 11 plus 2 root 30, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Seventh, factorize 3 plus x minus 2 into x plus 2. Eighth one, you are given a triangle, this angle is theta, this side is 10, this side is 10 root 3, find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. Get the answer. All done? Yes, tell us. Last one, take 2 more minutes. Yes, take 2 more minutes so that we all can discuss the solution. I think tomorrow onwards your exam is starting. Then when it is? This Saturday. Okay. I think Monday you are having maths, 18th. Again I am reminding you that in examination sequence of the question for each student will be different and the order of the answer will also be different. The same option may not be for all the students. For one student the same question answer option will be A, next question option will be C. So do not try to adopt any unfair means. I am very much confident that you will be able to solve the problem. So solve by yourself and appear the examination. And second important things, try to perform excellent, try to score good marks in all the subjects. Because board may ask next year your 9th standard marks for the consideration of 10th standard result. Okay, it may happen. Still corona is there, nothing has gone, anything may happen. Try to score good marks in all the examinations, whether it is internal or external or objective or subjective, all the subjects. If you want your percentage to be improved, you have to perform in all the subjects, not only in maths, all the subjects, history, geography, science, English, all the subjects. चलो टाइम हो गया, फिनिश. Okay, चलो let us discuss the answer. चलो send me the answer of first. अंशुल पटेल सी, सतीश पटेल सी, तन्वी पटेल सी, राज चावड़ा सी, ऋषभ गठानी सी, सरिता गुप्ता सी, मीत राठौड़ सी, आयुष बाने सी, प्रथम सेठिया सी, आर्यन पटेल सी. Okay, x is 4, y is 3. X is 4, y is 3 means option number C, correct? So we have solved this already. So now C is the correct option. Okay, you can use any method. Chalo, send me the answer of second. Tanvi Patel B, Aryan Patel B, Sarita Gupta B, Meet Rathod B, Satish Patel B, Anshul Patel B. Yes. Karan Chauhan B, Rishabh Gathani B, Pratham Sethia B. Yes, Arvina Prajapati, you are not sending the answer today. B means 2. B means 2. So when x is 15 degree, this becomes 30 degree, this becomes 60 degree, and this becomes 90 degree. 8 sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So this becomes 8 into 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 90 degree is 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So answer is 2 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is 2. So option number B is correct option. Chalo, send me the answer of third. Satish Patel A, Tanvi Patel A, Raj Chavda A, Meet Rathod A, Sarita Gupta A, Aryan Patel A, Rishabh Gathani A, Pratham Sethia A, Shubham A, Anshul Patel A, Anushree Mishra A. Okay. A means 2. So I have told you sin 27 degree, sec I can write 1 upon cos. So that will become sin 27 degree upon cos 63 degree. Cos you can convert in terms of sin, because sin and cos complementary angle. So this value will be 1, this value will be 1, 1 plus 1, answer is 2. Okay. 1 plus 1, answer is 2. 1 plus 1, answer is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Sin and cos, they are complementary angle. Similarly, sec and cosec, they are complementary angle. And tan and cot, they are complementary angle. Okay. Sin, cos, complementary angle. Sec, cosec, complementary angle. Tan, cot, complementary angle. So whenever you are converting sin in terms of cos, you have to subtract the angle from 90 degree. Fourth one, you type the answer and send me. AB. Satish Patel 34.6, Tanvi Patel 34.64. Chalo, ठीक है. Yes, anybody else? Anshul Patel 34.64. 34.64. Meet Rathod 34.64. Sarita Gupta 34.64. Raj Chavda 34.64. Anushree Mishra 34.64. Aryan Patel 34.64. Anushree Mishra 34.64. Hardik 34.64. Chalo, let us see. BC I will consider X. AB you have to find. Okay, so opposite and adjacent. So you will find tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to AB upon X. Tan 60 is root 3. So AB upon X. So AB is equal to root 3x. Okay. Then tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB upon 40 plus x. Okay. So AB is equal to 40 plus x upon root 3. root 3x I have written, no, AB root 3x. AB you want to write root 3x. Yes. Correct. Then yes, you want to rationalize the denominator, no problem. So you will get root 3x is equal to 40 plus root 3, 40 plus x upon root 3. Root 3 multiplied 3x is equal to 40 plus x. 3x minus x, 2x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 20. X is 20. X is 20. Root 3 is 1.732. 1.73 into 20. 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 34.64 is the answer. Answer is AB is 34.64 meter. Yes? Same answer all of you got. Chalo, fifth one. Tell me the answer, fifth one. Not getting. Okay. Why you are not getting? Chalo, now you will get the answer. Yes, now you will get the answer. Chalo, do it now. Take 2 minute time. Now you will get the answer, yes or no? Yes, absolutely correct answer. A square minus A minus 72 is equal to 0. So find two numbers whose sum is minus 1. Minus A means minus 1. And their product is minus 72. So A square minus A minus 1A minus 72 is equal to 0. Find two numbers whose sum is minus 1. Product is minus 72. Numbers are minus 9 and 8. Minus 9 and 8, when you will add, you will get minus 1. When you will multiply, you will get minus 72. So answer will be A minus 9 into A minus 8. Yes, what is your answer, all of you? Yes, is equal to 0. So that will give you A is equal to 9. A is equal to minus 8. Yes? A square minus 9A plus 8A minus 72 is equal to 0. So A into A minus 9 plus 8 into A minus 9. So you will get A minus 9 into A plus 8. A plus 8 is equal to 0. That will give you A is equal to 9 or A is equal to minus 8. Yes? Fact price. So A is equal to 9 or A is equal to minus 8. So this is the quadratic equation of this type. Type 1, type 2. Type 1. In type 1, the coefficient of quadratic equation ax square is a, 1. In type 2, the coefficient of this a square will be any other number. Chalo, sixth one, send me the answer. (482). Satish Patel 482. Sarita Gupta 482. Tanvi Patel 482. Raj Chavda 482. Anshu Patel 482. Ravina Chaudhary 482. Neil 482. Aryan Patel 482. Anushree Mishra 482. Okay, let us see. X is 11 plus 2 root 30. So 1 by x will be 11 minus 2 root 30. Okay. Yes, okay. So this get cancelled, x plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x will be 22. So x plus 1 upon x whole square will be x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. 22 square. 22 square. How much is 22 square? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 484. 484 minus 2. Answer is 482. So everybody has given the answer 482. So 482 is the correct answer. Okay. Chalo, send me the answer of 7th. 7th answer. Tanvi Patel x minus 1 into x plus 1. Satish Patel x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay. Only two student. X minus 1 into x plus 1. Yes, what about? Okay. Anushri Mishra x minus 1 into x plus 1. Raj Chavda x minus 1 into x plus 1. 4 student. X minus 1 into x plus 1. What about others? They do not want to type the answer. So tell me the oral answer. Chalo. X minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1. 3 plus a minus b into a plus b, that will be x square minus 4. X square minus 1. 1 I can write 1 square. So answer will be x minus 1 into x plus 1. Answer will be x minus 1 into x plus 1. Chalo, send me the answer of 8th. 8th one. Satish Patel 30 degree. Arvinia Prajapati x minus 1 x plus 1. Sarita Gupta 30. Aryan Patel 30. Arvinia Prajapati 30. Okay. Rishabh Gathani 30. Anshul Patel 30. Shubham Romina 30. Raj Chavda 30. Pratham Sethia 30. Alex Sagar 30. Okay, 30 degree. So this is my 90 degree. This is my opposite and this is adjacent. Opposite and adjacent, which ratio we consider? Tan. So tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is tan, adjacent is tan root 3. Tan get cancelled, that is 1 by root 3. Tan of which angle is 1 by root 3? Theta is equal to 30 degree. Very good. So theta is equal to 30 degree for question number 8. The answer is 30 degree. Question number 8, the answer is 30 degree. Let me give one more problem from mean median. Find the mean of 1833 30, 1833 30, 1833 30, 21 and 13. 6, 7, 8, 9 question. This is 10. Find the median of 17, 26, 60, 45, 33, 32, 29, 34 and 56. 2 questions. 5 minutes are there. 2 minutes I am giving you to solve. After 2 minutes we will discuss the solution. Wait. Solve both the problem. Take 2 minutes time. Then we will discuss it. Okay. Let me also solve. Let me give the option for this question. Option A 13, B 33, C 23, D 25. Good. Mean value. is mean value only, no? Mean value does not mean that it will be one of the value. Remember, my dear, mean and median does not mean that they will be. So do not get confused. Mean concept is simply add all the values, divide by total number of values given. For this, the option is A 45, B 32, C 33, D 34. Chalo, take 2 minute time. Done? Completed. Okay. Send me the answer of 9th one. Anshu Patel C. Sarita Gupta C. Arvind. Anushri Mishra C. Satish Patel C. Raj Chavda C. Rishabh Gathani C. Aryan Patel C. Pratham Sethia C. Karan Chauhan C. Tanvi Patel C. Okay. Tanvi Patel C. C means 23. You add all the values for mean 18 plus 33, plus 30 plus 21 plus 13, divide by number of values 5, answer will be, total will be 115, divide by 5, answer will be 23. So option number C is the correct option. Chalo, send me the answer of 10th. Anshul Patel C, Satish Patel C 33, Tanvi Patel C 33, Anushri Mishra C, Sarita Gupta C, Rishabh Gathani C, Pratham Sethia C, Rabina Chaudhary C, Anushri Mishra C, okay, Raj Chavda C, Karan Chauhan C. C means 33, okay. C means 33. So for median you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So first it will be 17, 26, then 17, 26, then 32, 29, 26, 29, then 32, then 33, then so on. What is n? N is 9. So median will be n plus 1 upon 2th. So 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. So that is 10 by 2, 5th term. 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 33. So median is 33. Median is 33. Okay. So practice this type of problems. So it is 10:30. We stop here. Bye everybody. Yes. Bye.